Gafa.
Yes, Crackles.
We've been following around this guy on the interweb.
We've caught the virus, the
Yes.
YouTube virus.
Yeah, we go on there every now and again and just get entertained.
That's right.
That's what it's all about.
It is.
Last week, Gaff, we showed this guy who just discovered a double rainbow in the front of his front yard.
Yep.
Double rainbow. Oh my God. It's a double rainbow all the way. My God. Oh my God.
He pretty much went gnarly over that rainbow.
That was intense.
So you have to check it out. It's on it's on the tube.
Yep. On the viral
It's just
tube.
type in the double rainbow. He'll come up.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's pretty crazy. You got to check him out.
He's been up to more crazy things.
He has, man. He's got his own kind of national park going on.
Yeah, well, when he gets a camera behind his little hands, he gets right into it, doesn't he?
Yeah, right into it.
Yeah.
Really deep into it.
I've never seen someone so enthused when they're filming stuff, you know?
Yeah. Well, we have another clip for you very soon. Just what we were talking about, Gaff, the double rainbow guy.
Yep.
He's gone out in the wilderness with his camera again.
Yep, he's got new adventures.
Yep. This time they're birds, wild birds
Yep.
amongst the grasses of his field. Check it out. Here he goes.
Wow, look at all those turkeys. Damn, look at all those turkeys. Wow. Man, there's a lot of them. See all those turkeys, man? See all those turkeys? It's crazy. Yeah, look at the moon. Whoa. They're going right up there to my land. Whoa.
Whoa.
There it is.
He calls himself Yosemite Bear.
Yep, and when he sees multiples, more than one thing, he gets really excited.
It's when things get crazy for him.
Yeah.
So he's seen about 40 turkeys there.
Yep.
And he lost it.
And they're all running on a field.
We're going to keep coming up updates with this guy as he goes on, because he's got travelling adventures, Jeff. He's in a wildlife park.
Yeah, and he always seems to have a camera when amazing things happen.
I think that's how he makes his money.
Yeah.
That's his job.
Right.
Documentation. Documentation. There you go.
Documentations.
It's a dimension of document.
Dimension of documentations.
Anyway, Gaff.